Good morning, good morning. I am here this morning with our new Angelic Tint polishes, and I just want to show you what you can do with these little beauties. And I'll just show you the color shifting that happens with these. They're basically a shimmery white base, but they all have a shift. So green, purple, gold, pink, and blue. And let me show you what you can do with these. They're very, very pretty, very light, very versatile. And I've pulled a couple of plates here. I've got a fairy plate, CjS 295, and a Floral that I've been using a ton lately because I love this plate. Hi. CjS 82. So let me show you what I've been doing with these little guys. I'm going to use this one first. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Make sure our camera angles are useful so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to first of all do a base, and I'm using 98 and 69. So this is a kind of minty color. 69 is aqua. So pretty. And I'm gonna put them over top of a new KoKo product that's coming soon. So I don't have full details for you on that yet, but you'll be able to see this beautiful base. Okay, so this guy, actually I should just put it on my own hand. Let's do that. Let's put it on my own nail because this is the same stuff right here. So hopefully I don't have too much cuticle oil on here, and this will stick. You can see the pretty marbling of color that's happened there. Just swiped a couple of times and you get that beautiful mixing of those two colors. Really, really pretty. And now what I'm gonna do is take one of these Angelic Tints, and that's what I'm gonna use to outline. So I'm going to use the one that shifts green, which is number 4, AT04. And that is going to be my outline color. Roll over top. Clean off the extras, couple little extras. I've got some splits in my jelly here from working on all these pointy nails. But they won't get in the way, don't worry. All right, so now I'm just going to take my time and line this up, just kind of looking in the center. Give it a nice push and check that out. Just so delicate and pretty. Absolutely love that effect. Those of you who know me know that I like that kind of subtle, I like people to grab my hands and go, oh, what's on your nails? Sometimes I'm bold, but usually I'm kind of tone on tone, subtle. You can see this purple one's got a flower on it as well. In the purple version, so that's AT05, that's the blue one. Yeah, this guy, 01. So that's that guy over top of this really pretty sparkly base. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another nail here, and we're going to use this other plate. And this is the fairy plate. And what I want to use for this one is one of these really pretty wings over top of this guy. Yes, okay, I am organized, I promise. Let's grab a different color. Let's grab the one that shifts kind of purpley pink. And this rosy one, this is number 2. So let's combine the two of these, and I'm going to use it on this image right here. Move some things out of the way. So that was AT02 and 01. blend the two a little bit, not too much. And we're going to put it on a little bit of a darker base. And I'll let you know what that is here in a second. Okay, I'm going to need my sticky pad to get those little extra bits off. You can clean it off the nail after, but I like to clean it off before we even go to the nail. So let's go ahead and pop that down, and then you can see that color kind of come to life. That pink on top and the purple below. Oh gosh, it's just so pretty. Look at that. That shifting, especially when they're blended. I just love the combination when you blend the two together. And let's take, now we could go gold over top or we could go white over top. So where is my number 34? I think that's what I want to use over top. This guy right here. Just a really beautiful shimmery white. Clean that, make sure that our outline is completely clean. Get the best lift possible. Might need to thin this. We'll see what happens when we lift it. Clean up my stamper a little bit. Right in behind, immediately roll over top. We're good. That gentle roll makes all the difference. Okay, let's use this sticky pad. Okay, now just take your time and get things lined up. I'm just looking right in the center where the wings kind of intersect, and then give it a push. Little wiggle. And look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Just such a delicate, pretty effect. Really pops on that color too, and that color is Walk the Plank number 302. A really gorgeous kind of gray blue color from KoKo&Claire. So there you have it. There are a couple of ideas for using these beautiful new colors. There's 5 of them. Please, if you're using them, make sure you tag us. Let us know what you've been creating. Hit that subscribe button and share with your friends, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.